Hi friends. Okay, so we are going to review two skills. We're going to review converting a mixed number into a fraction greater than 1, and then we're actually going to review converting a fraction greater than 1 back into a mixed number. So let's look at this mixed number. We have 3 and 1/4. Now, we know this is a mixed number because it's a whole number mixed with a fraction. And in order to bubble this in on the FSA, we need to convert it into a fraction greater than 1. So we sing our song. Look to the left, now down below. So 3 and 4 multiply. So 3 times 4 equals 12. Now add real slow. So what I'm going to add is that 1. I'm going to take my numerator and add it to the 12. So it becomes 13. Different number on top. Same denominator. Look at my denominator. It's 4. Bring it down on down. Now I've got a fraction that's greater than 1. Perfect. So I have my fraction greater than 1, but I want to practice my skill of converting it back into my mixed number. Okay, so I'm looking at 13/4, right? And remember I showed you that mind-blowing fact that this line right here actually is the same as a division symbol, right? This dot is the 13 and this dot is the 4. Okay, so we're going to think about what's 13 divided by 4, or how many times can 4 go into 13? Well, I know it can't go in evenly, but I'm not sure how many times. So let's see, 4, 8, 12, stop. I know that 4 can go into 13 3 times. So what I'm going to do is write that number real big. That's my whole number, because 4 can go into 13 3 times. Now, 12 is not equal to 13. I need to figure out the difference between these two numbers. I like to circle them. What's the difference between these two numbers? 1, right? To get from 12 to 13, to make this jump, we have to move 1. Okay? So different number on top, just like our song says. Same denominator, bring it on down. Now we've still got a fraction that's greater than 1. 3 and 1/4. Look, we turned it back into 3 and 1/4. See? 3 and 1/4. These are both fractions greater than 1. 13/4 and 3 and 1/4 are both fractions greater than 1, right? But this one is just in the form of a mixed number, okay? And this one is just in the form of the numerator is bigger than the denominator, okay? So let me review that one more time. You know how to convert this way, but if you want to turn your fraction greater than 1 back into a mixed number, you think about how many times the numerator can be divided by the denominator. So 13 divided by 4 is going to be 3. Write that number real big. Okay, so 4 can go into 13 3 times, but 4 times 3 is only 12. How do I fix that gap between 12 and 13? 1, right? And then different number on top, same denominator. Bring that denominator back down and I get 3 and 1/4. That's all.